How did it happen? How did we become so accustomed to the burden of our possessions, encumbered by the weight of such unimportant things? When did all we own suddenly seem to own us? We asked ourselves, is it too late to make a change? So we intentionally deconstructed our comfortable lives, letting go our careers, possessions, identities, and expectations, to set the stage for our third act, unencumbered and free. We are minimalists, nomadic wanderers who never settle, but are always home. We own so much less than we used to, but seem to have so much more than ever before. Because there's now more room for the important things like friendship, kindness, compassion, grace, and love. We are on a long and slow journey, seeking out new experiences, learning from others not like us, and growing in ways we never thought possible. Come, join us on our nomadic midlife.